Hey guys, how are you? So today we're using the e.l.f. primer. I already primed. And this is the Covergirl Clean BB Cream Matte and Fair. And then I'm using the concealer, the Revlon Photo Ready Candid in Fair as well, just to prep my eyelids. Smoothing this out with a beauty blender. You can use anything, a brush, beauty blender, your finger, to make sure it's clean. Always moisturize and wash your face first too. This is the Ticket to Brazil bronzer by Wet n Wild, and I'm using my vintage eyeshadow brush. I'm just using the mirror to the Cover FX palette. This multi-purpose palette is amazing, by the way, though. So yeah, we're definitely going to create an awesome Cheetah look today. So excited. So just put that in your upper crease area, blend it all over. It just kind of gives it a deepening look. And you kind of want to, this is the Appeal. By Appeal, the liquid eyeshadow in, I don't know what the shade's called right now, I'm sorry, but it's really, really pretty. And I'm just applying that on the lower eyelid portion, blending that out with my eyeshadow brush. This is the Pur Cosmetics Sculptor palette. I'm using the, this is actually the lighter shade. They actually look like the same shades almost, but the other one's darker. So whichever one you like. I'm just putting some more depth into the eye look. Trying to make my eyes look bigger, so I'm just, going out farther, like farther than my eye is. This is the e.l.f. liquid liner in black. I'm just creating a nice cat eye wing with this, and also making this effect also makes your eyes look bigger. Sorry. So it's definitely a bigger wing than usual. And this is the Wet n Wild white eyeliner pencil. This is another trick to making the eye appear bigger. You can use any white color pencil you have. Then I'm using the Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner in black. Or this is actually called Stingray, but it's a black tone. I'm going underneath the waterline. Going back with the contour sculptor palette and my contour brush. All over, really deep on the forehead area, temples, anywhere you would normally, but just a little extra. And this is darker than I would normally go. That was the point here. I'm also making a C shape along my cheek line, like from my bottom of my nose across over, like a C shape. It makes the cheekbones appear more definite and bigger. LA Colors Contour Stick, medium. I'm using this along each line of my nose. And I usually would blend this out when contouring my nose, but for this, I'm just kind of keeping it there. I want it to be very, very bold and definite with the, I forgot what word I was looking for, sorry. Back with the Stila eyeliner. I'm just making a little heart-shaped nose, coloring that in. Keep watching till the end because it's so cute. This is for like, you can do this for your kid, you can do this for yourself, you and your friends. I'll be cheetah girls. Or, you know, if you're in a really big rush and you just don't have the money for a costume and you just want to throw something together, this works perfect. Now I'm just making the little, you know, like where the whiskers would be and stuff. I should have placed white concealer there, but it's alright. You don't have to do that. This is the 16-hour camo concealer in fair beige. Very full coverage, but it dries quickly, so make sure you blend it out fast. Very fast. I make sure that my beauty blender is damp. That's just my little trick. And then you can choose if you want to make whiskers. I just did a few. Now I'm just coloring my lips, making them appear more beige. This is the sorry. Jeez, I'm going so fast here. That was the Barrel by Maybelline lipstick. And then I'm using the contour stick. Or no, that was the Maybelline eyeliner in brown. Hi, Ari. This is the Loreal lacquer liner, the Blackest Black 171. This is in the L'Oreal Infallible line. Love it. And I'm just using the little eyeliner brush that it came with. Works very well. Now you can just make like a little, like, I don't really know, they're like kind of like circle squares. Or like a line with like C's, but you don't really need to connect them. You can connect some and then leave some kind of open, not connected. So that's what I did. And I'm just doing this all over. And I'm going to be doing this along the cheek line too, where I have the contour put. And then you can choose to color these in or not. I did. Like every other one, I colored in with this contour stick. You can also use brown eyeshadow or bronzer with the eyeshadow brush. I just felt like this was easier and faster. See, now we're looking like a cat. Feisty. And then here's these cute little, like barrette. They're like the barrette clips with the ears. So easy. And I either wear my hair down or put them into buns. Whatever you prefer. But these are super cute. This is the Lily Lashes XXX mascara. Now I'm making the whiskers, and we're pretty much done here. Oh, we need the lashes. You don't need to, but it just gives it that pow. That meow, pow, pow. We're all done. Thanks for watching. Happy Halloween.